everyone, and welcome to Information Station. Today we will be talking about KBI's maintenance agreements. A maintenance agreement, or MA, is a one-year maintenance plan that covers preventative repairs and accidents. It does not cover purposeful damage. These maintenance agreements are available to any customer after inspection. We suggest purchasing one of these plans after you have paid off a rental and received your free final maintenance. If you have not rented from us, please feel free to bring your instrument into the store for an evaluation. We have 3 separate tiers with different price points. First tier is $65 for the year and covers a piccolo, flute, clarinet, trombone, or trumpet. Tier 2 is $125 for the year and it covers saxophone, oboe, French horn, F-attachment trombone, bass clarinet, or a euphonium. Tier 3 is $150 for the year and it covers any intermediate or professional band instrument. Unfortunately, we do not have a maintenance plan for orchestral instruments at this time. When your instrument is covered by the maintenance agreement, there is no limit to the number of times you can bring it in. All repairs will bring the instrument back to its best playing condition. Minor case repair is also covered. Replacement of expendable accessories such as mouthpieces, case straps, reeds, cleaning supplies, or lyres are not covered. Full refinishing is also not included as part of the maintenance agreement. Please note that a maintenance agreement is not insurance. An MA will not cover a lost or stolen instrument or an instrument destroyed by a catastrophic event. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Our phone number is 540-891-7800, or you can send us an email at info@KBI Music Shoppe, it's shoppe.com. Thanks, and be sure to check out more of our Information Station videos and other videos on our YouTube channel.